Take off as usual, on medium flaps, no problem. I use high power in flight. I perform vertical maneuvers. My batteries give enough power. Now, I'm testing the plane on high angles of attack, at low speed. I'm having fun. It's really great EDF job. Spin, no problem. Steep climb. Inverted spin. Recovered quickly. Did I want to do that? Something is wrong. I'm starting fight with controls. Maybe battery has moved from correct position. Balance problem. Aircraft nose go up. I'm losing speed, so I'm increasing engine power. I hear a telemetry warning about low voltage aircraft battery. I'm reducing power a little bit. I'm making gentle maneuvers. I'm keeping the speed. Decision. Emergency landing now. Maybe it's problem with elevators. I don't know. Keeping the speed. Most important. Time to land. Landing gear. Flat. I have altitude and time. I can do it. I set landing configuration on the approach beginning. I'm reducing power in descent. Landing gear down. I have better control now. It's good? Touchdown. The plane returned to the ground. What happened here? Brand new model. Everything was fine. Time to analyze the emergency situation. After landing, I paid attention to the open cabin hatch. Was it that problem? I don't think so. Let's analyze the landing. The model fell into the hole and bounced off the ground. At this moment the cabin hatch is coming loose, so it had no effect on the flight. By the way, the plane has strong landing gear. Inspection didn't show any damage. Next, I checked the position of the LiPo batteries. None has moved, so during the flight, center of gravity was in the correct place. Inspection of the control surfaces and flaps also showed no malfunctions. I didn't know what happened until time when we started disarming batteries from aircraft. The plane has two batteries. Each powers one of the engines. Furthermore, battery in the front powers avionics and control surfaces. The front most important battery has a voltage sensor with telemetry. Rear only simple buzzer. It turned out that the power wire in the rear battery was broken, which means that the left engine has lost power. This was also confirmed by the voltage difference between batteries. The damaged battery had a much higher voltage level than undamaged LiPo. which means that it didn't power the engine for the same time. It's my oldest 6S battery. It has powered my Spitfire for 3 years. It also powered F4 Fulcrum and Draco. Now we can reconstruct the course of events. The plane is flying at high engine power. Vertical climb. Unintentional inverted spin. Possibly the beginning of the problems, due to thrust asymmetry. Thrust reduction and recovery from spin. I'm stopping my demonstration flight. I'm trying to verify what's happening with the plane. Nose is lifted, so MiG is losing speed. At this moment, I'm increasing the power. Probably only right engine is running, but I didn't detect it. I think that's a balance problem, incorrectly of course. I'm hearing a low battery voltage warning. Probably right engine works on high power. I'm reducing power a little bit. Mayday. Decision. Emergency landing. I'm keeping speed. I'm trying to get position that allows me to start the approach. I'm starting approach. I'm reducing thrust. Extended flaps and landing gear down. Quite late, but if I did this area, the increase in aerodynamic drag could have prevented me from taking a good position to start the approach. Steep landing approach allows to reduce thrust. Thanks to this, the asymmetry of thrust isn't a problem anymore. That's why the plane stopped fighting with me. The plane landed gently, and then bounced off the porthole, causing detached cabin hatch. Summary. Reasons for the event. Breakage of batteries supplying left engine. As a result of lost left engine thrust. Failure caused by 3 years of battery use. Recommendations for the future. Pre-flight battery inspection. Backup avionics power supply. General conclusions. I was lucky. Damaged battery wasn't connected to the avionics. MiG is able to continue flight on one engine. My procedures, which I hold on tightly, helped me safely to bring the plane to the ground. Namely, speed control, preventing its drop, steep approach to landing. Thank you. I invite you to see more my videos and subscribe my channel.